Fire Control, 23M7D, respond.
Crazy, 23M7D, you're en route. Could be in front of 6219 Robinson. Fire Control to 23M7D, be advised. It's actually going to be a rapid call. We'll be dispatching them.
Copy.
Fire Control to Rapids. Could be a motor vehicle accident in your district in front of the power wash 6219, 6219 Robinson Road. To be two vehicles, one person with a head and chest injury, ALS priority. Repeating to Rapids, you have a motor vehicle accident in front of the power wash 6219, 6219 Robinson Road. Two vehicles, one person with a head and chest injury, ALS priority recommended. Time out is 11:50, Niagara County Fire Patrol. You can have FD TAC 1.